Good morning to all of you. I'm Pooja Singh, faculty SARTX department. Today we are going to discuss about non-conventional method of electricity generation. In this method, we are using geothermal energy power generation method, and this is the introduction. So, firstly, what is geothermal energy? It's simple. The heat energy of Earth generated by various processes such as heat from the planet, from the extreme, which has not yet been lost, and friction, and the many geothermal reservoir find by the bay, glacier, boiling mud, and volcano, hot springs, as well as so how can we produce geothermal energy? How can we produce electricity by geothermal energy? Firstly, we are using two kinds of wells. First well is projection well and second well is injection well. So projection well is used to create steam, and it directly spread on turbine or generator, and it convert power through the mechanical energy to electrical energy, and rest amount of water contained are injected again by the injection well. So this is the simple process to generate electricity by geothermal energy. So basically this is used for direct and indirect method. So if we are using directly method, then we can convert steam directly for moving turbine, and generate electricity according to Faraday's law. As we know, whenever the conductor cut, magnetic flux induced EMF, and the turbine is used to rotate a shaft of generator, and it produce electricity. So there are basically three types of power plant. First one is steam power plant, second one is flash steam power plant, and third is binary cycle power plant. So this is dry steam power plant. In this system, we can use a dry steam directly for turbine and rotate our turbine for producing electricity, and rest amount of water is passes by condenser and mixed on injection well. So this is the most simple way of generate electricity by dry steam power plant, but it not necessary that it occur in all time. So second one is some facts about dry steam power plant. The oldest type of geothermal power plant used, geothermal reservoir containing pure steam is required. Pure dry steam drive the turbine, and very rare types of power plant, because it is not possible to take all time dry steam as a primary source. So second one is flash power plant, and this is second one power plant. In this power plant, we are using a steam storage or steam separator. By the process, we can produce steam by a steam separator, and in this way we can separate steam and water molecules, and steam are used to rotate turbine. As we know, turbine is used to provide mechanical power to our generator, and rest amount of water through the condenser is again reach on injection wall or storage. So this is the second one. Power plant is used commonly in geothermal power plant. Commonly used power plant, geothermal reservoir contain both water and hot steam are required. Pressure cleaning system are required, and some countries are already use this process. And third one is binary cycle power plant, and this is most common power plant which use up to 180 degree centigrade, which use for in flash turbine we can use for 180 degree centigrade, and binary power system is used for generally 50 to 60 degree centigrade temperature of water, and we can produce produce their efficiency. We can increase their efficiency by using heat exchanger method, and in this method we can use a heat exchanger to increase the efficiency or heat or temperature of water steam. So by this method we can use a steam exchanger to increase the water temperature, steam temperature, and again it used to rotate turbine and provide mechanical power to to generator and produce electricity. So this is most commonly used type of power plant, and doesn't use steam directly to spin turbine. The only heat of the underground water is used, that means it not required dry steam, and vaporized hydrocarbon are used to spin the turbine. And this is all about binary cycle power generation system. So thank you so much. Next, this is turbine and generator, and this is all about steam power generation or geothermal power generation. Thank you so much.